Good evening, students. After completing volume of cone, today we will start with volume of sphere. Exercise 13.8 volume of sphere. As I have already told you, sphere we are taking two. One is sphere and one is half of the sphere, that is hemisphere. So for both we are having different formula. Volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube and volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. As hemisphere is half of sphere, so its volume will also be half, 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now we will start with the exercise. In first question, we have to find the volume of sphere whose radius is given 7 centimeter. One part is here I am solving for you, and second you will try by yourself. So volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Put the value of pi and r, and when we solve on calculation we will get 1437 1 by 3 cubic centimeter. In second question, in place of radius, diameter is given. Diameter 28 centimeter and radius we have to find. So radius is half of diameter, 28 upon 2, that is 14 centimeter. For volume apply the same formula, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, when we will solve we get 11,498 2 by 3 cubic centimeter. Now question number 3. In third question, we have the diameter of a metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter, and what is the mass of the ball if the density of the metal is 8.9 gram per cubic centimeter. Here we have given diameter, radius is half of diameter, volume by same formula we can find. Now we have to find the weight. For weight we have given 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 8.9 gram. So we multiply the volume with 8.9, that is the weight of this metallic ball. Okay students, calculation you will do by yourself. Now next question. Similar question we have done in previous exercise, where also we have given diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of diameter of the earth, and we have to find the volume of earth to the volume of moon. Fraction we have to find. So let us see. Let diameter of earth DE and diameter of moon DM. Radius of earth RE and radius of moon RM. As diameter is 1/4 of DE, it is given that diameter of moon is 1/4 of diameter of earth. Okay, so radius of moon will be half of this, yani ki 1/8 diameter of earth, and radius of earth is 1/2 diameter of earth. So volume of earth 4 by 3 pi re cube and volume of moon 4 by 3 pi rm cube. So volume of earth upon volume of moon, we have to find the ratio. Put the values. 4 by 3 pi cancel on both sides. Here 1/2 dE cube is 1/8 dE cube, and 1/8 dE cube is 1 upon 512 dE cube. dE cut both sides, it is 64. So volume of moon will be 1/64th of volume of earth, means fraction is 1/64th. Okay. Next question number 5. How many liters of milk can a hemispherical ball of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? Here we have given diameter of hemispherical ball. Firstly radius we will find, that is 5.25. Then we have to find the volume. Volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Put the value, find out the volume in cubic centimeter. Then we have to find the answer in liters. We will write 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter and convert into liter. Okay. Next question number 6. Hemispherical tank is made up of an iron sheet of 1 centimeter thick. If the inner radius of the tank is 1 meter, then find the volume of the iron used to make the tank. See, you are having a tank that is given in hemispherical. Okay, hemisphere is given, it means tank is in this shape. Its radius is given 1 meter and thickness means outside, this is given 1 centimeter. You have to find volume of this thickness. This thing you have to find. So firstly you will find inner volume by taking radius 1 meter. Then you will find outer volume by taking radius 1.01 meter. Subtract both the volumes, you will get the required answer, because we have to find the volume of the iron used to make the tank. So volume of iron is outer volume minus inner volume of the tank. Okay. Next, Find the volume of a sphere whose surface area is given. Here you have given surface area of the sphere, that is 154. Formula for surface area is 4 pi r square, that is 154. From here we can find the value of r. Then volume we have to find. Put the value of r in 4 by 3 pi r cube and the answer will be there. Next, a dome of building is in the form of a hemisphere. From inside it was whitewashed at the rate of rupees this. Cost of whitewash is given rupees 2 per square meter. Inside surface area you have to find. So same questions already we have done. Inside surface area is total cost divided by cost of 1 meter square. You can get the area. Okay. Now you have to find volume. For volume we need radius. From surface area we can find radius and then we can find the volume. Next question number 9. 27 solid iron sphere, each of radius r and surface area s, are melted to form a sphere with surface area s dash. Find the radius r dash of new sphere. We are having 27 solid iron sphere with the radius r that are melted to form a big surface area. Firstly r dash we have to find. Let us see how. Radius of small sphere, that is r. Volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of 27 spheres, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube into 27. Now this is equal to volume of one big sphere. Volume of big sphere, because these 327 are combined to make a one big. So it is 4 by 3 pi r dash cube. Equate these two. 4 by 3 pi r cube into 27 is equal to 4 by 3 pi r dash cube. 4 by 3 pi cut. R cube, 27 r cube is equal to r dash cube. So r dash will be 3r. Radius of big sphere is 3 times the radius of small sphere. This is your first part. Second, ratio of s and s dash. Okay. So firstly s. S means volume, surface area of small sphere, that is 4 pi r square, and s dash is 4 pi r dash square. Put the value of r dash. R dash we have find 3r. It is 3 3s are 9. 9 4s are 36 pi r square. Ratio s dash is equal to 4 pi r square ratio 36 pi r square. This is cut 1:9. Okay. Last question. A capsule of medicine is in the shape of a sphere of diameter 3.5 millimeter. How many medicines is needed to fill this capsule? It means volume we have to find, diameter given. Firstly find out the radius, then volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. After that you can find the that will be the medicine required to fill the capsule. Okay students, so this is your exercise 13.8. Try to do it. If any doubt is there, then discuss with me in Zoom session. Thank you. Have a nice day.